Today my review is on this 3800 PSI electric pressure washer. Now I purchased this one because this one is so little and compact and very lightweight. Our other one was so heavy, it was bulky to move around, and it was really hard to store, honestly. But my husband is basically unpacking and unboxing. There's not much you really have to put together. This thing he just added on just kind of holds all of the, like, not like compartment things, like the hose itself and all that. So that's like your main hub, and everything else attaches to it. So he adds this on, and then he screws on the water outlet in the back. And that's what I liked about this too. The water outlet is in the back, whereas my other one was in the front. And honestly, it got kinked a lot with the old one. So another cool feature about this pressure washer is you can put the hose into like a bucket of something. You don't necessarily have to have it hooked up to your faucet. So that was really cool, and it has like a filter and stuff on the end. But he gets all of this together, and it's super lightweight. And we purchased this so we could hose off a pool, but we use our pressure washer for everything. So here you can see he is pressure washing the pool, and I think it's doing a really good job. This stuff was really matted on. It was really hard to get off, but as you can see, it's very little, very compact, and I definitely recommend.